The iOS 14 leak revealed details about the following iPhone SE2 and iPad models. A few days ago, the early test build of iOS 14, dated December 2019, leaked to the network. Despite being relatively old, it does mention iPhone SE2 devices that Apple hasn't released yet. We are talking about inexpensive smartphones and new iPad Pro models. The iOS 14 code mentions two iPhone models, iPhone SE2 and iPhone 9 Plus. Only one of them was previously known. On March 31st, Apple allegedly planned to introduce the iPhone 9 or iPhone SE2, an inexpensive smartphone with a 4.7-inch LCD screen, the top Apple A13 Bionic processor, a fingerprint scanner in the home screen button and a style-designed iPhone 8. Face ID scanner for these smartphones do not. A fresh leak confirms the existence of another iPhone model, with a 5.5-inch screen. iPhone SE2 and iPhone 9 Plus would attract the attention of those who still use the iPhone 6 or iPhone 7 and for some reason do not want to spend money on much more expensive top models. Smartphones will be able to scan NFC tags. This feature is only available for relatively new iPhone models. XS, XS Max, XR, 11, 11 Pro and 11 Pro Max. iPhone 9 and iPhone 9 Plus use the home button without moving parts. It uses the Taptic engine to simulate clicks and is much more reliable than buttons in earlier iPhone models. A similar button was on the iPhone 7, 7 Plus, 8 and 8 Plus. Apple is still expected to introduce iPhone SE2 and iPhone 9. iPhone 9 Plus this spring, despite the cancellation of the March presentation and alleged production problems caused by interruptions in the supply of components. In iOS 14, mention was also made of 4 new iPad Pro modifications with model numbers J417, J418, J420 and J421. It is assumed that they will have screens with a diagonal of 11 inches and 12.9 inches, as well as a triple camera with a TOF module.